Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing house plan. While the main plot entrance, that is main gate, is located on the north road. The core house structure is brilliantly designed to be east facing, and out of the spacious 60 by 40, that is 2400 square feet plot area, the house utilizes an 806 square feet built up area. And the specific footprint leaves massive, highly auspicious open space in the north and northeast zones of the property. According to Vastu Shastra, leaving maximum open space in the north and east attracts wealth, positive cosmic energy, and proper cross ventilation. Let's get into the plan for detailed room by room Vastu explanation. And coming to the water source and the underground water tank, which is in the northeast of the plan. Its dimension is 10 feet by 6 feet, and this bore sump or underground water tank. They are located exactly in the northeast, that is Ishanya corner. And placing the water element here is the most auspicious Vastu rule, and it is believed to bring prosperity, clarity, and positive energy to the household. So we kept here. And coming to the sit out and the main entrance on the east, the sit out dimension is 14 feet by 7 feet, and the external stairs leading to a spacious east facing sit out, and the main door is positioned here to face east, allowing the vital morning sunlight to enter directly into the core living space. So coming into the house, here is our main door, east facing, and we have our living room over here of size 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 9 inches, a generously sizely and central hub that welcomes guests immediately from the east entrance, and it features ample wall space for a showcase and seating arrangements. You can see here, and it promoting smooth energy flow into the rest of the home. And coming to the kitchen come dining space, it is measured with a size of 11 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 9 inches, and the kitchen is flawlessly located in the southeast, that is Agni or fire corner. And this is the ultimate vastu placement for a kitchen and ensuring the health of the inhabitants and financial stability. And it also conveniently include a small external washing area of 2 feet 6 inches by 7 feet attached to the east wall here. And coming to the puja room dimension is 8 feet by 4 feet, and it is strategically placed centrally on the eastern side and adjacent to the kitchen. This thoughtful placement ensures that daily prayers can be offered while facing the auspicious east direction. You can see here. And coming to the master bedroom, it is located in the southwest, that is Nairutia corner. In some other word, we can say it as earth element. And the master bedroom measurement is 11 feet 6 inches by 12 feet 9 inches. And it is situated in the southwest, that is the golden rule for Vastu. That is head of the family can rest here. A southwest master bedroom is believed to provide stability, strength, dominance, and restful sleep for the head of the family. So we kept this portion as a master bedroom, and we kept our bed sleeping portion south. As per Vastu, it should be kept there, and wardrobe in the west to enhance wealth and prosperity. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it's on the west, and its dimension is 8 feet by 12 feet 9 inches, and located on the western wall. This zone is ideal for children and students. As Vastu, it suggests that West promote focus, steady growth, and gain. So we kept this as a kids' bedroom. And coming to the service area, we have service area and bathrooms here on the northwest. This central service area is measured with a size of 16 feet by 4 feet, and a common toilet here is measured with a size of 3 feet 9 inches by 8 feet, with a loft and with loft above 7 feet. We have kept loft over here above 7 feet. And the internal toilet is situated towards the northwest zone of the house. Additionally, an external Indian toilet 4 feet by 5 feet is kept here. Um, is kept here, and the septic tank 8 feet by 6 inches are perfectly isolated in the outer northwest, that is Vayu corner of the plot. And this is the strictest was the recommendation for waste disposal, preventing negative energy from lingering in the home. And we kept here, we can see the common toilet, Indian toilet, and septic tank position over here in the plan. And external features like we have car parking space, a massive and unobstructed area on the north or northwest side, and providing external utility while keeping the heavy structures away from the delicate northeast zone. So we provide car parking zone over here. And coming to the external staircase, it is 720 square feet is placed in the northeast outer structure and allowing the ground floor to be completely independent, which is great for future rental purposes. Let's see the overall plan. You can get more plans on our websites, houseplans.daily.com plus houseplans.world. And our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planist and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.